Welcome back. My name is Fabian Yellow. I am the founder of Profit Services, where we help businesses optimize their profit and their cash flow. Now, you may have already seen the quarterly lodges, the boosting cash flow for employees, which is the stimulus that the Australian government provided against because of the COVID-19 virus and the effect it is having on the Australian economy and Australian businesses. Now, this video is purely for the monthly lodges as well, because the rules are different to the quarterly lodges. Now, if you heard the quarterly lodges, the video on the quarterly lodges, you'll know that the minimum payment that you will receive if you are a small business or a medium business or a not-for-profit organization which has a turnover of less than $50 million and that it does employ staff, the minimum amount of credit that you will receive by the ATO through the integrated client account that you have with the ATO, the minimum amount is $10,000 basically for the period ending 30th of June 2020, and the maximum amount that you will get is $50,000 for the period ending 30th of June 2020. But then there is the next new financial year. And for the next new financial year, the minimum amount that you will get, basically, up for the period ending 30th September, that is for July, August, and September, the minimum amount that you'll get combined is another $10,000, and the maximum amount you'll get is $50,000. Therefore, what you will get is a minimum amount when you combine all the months together of $20,000 and a maximum amount of $100,000. But how does it all work? So now I'm going to explain to you how this actually works, because it does get a bit complex. So what this is first of all, you have to be employed staff. And when you have staff, you pay wages. And when you pay wages, you're withholding the tax component. And generally, then what happens is that tax component that we withhold gets lodged monthly through the BAS or through the IAS. Now, let's focus on the March 2020 BAS, which is going to be lodged. Now, for the March 2020 BAS, what it is for you monthly lodgers, that whatever you withheld from a employee's wages, the ATO will provide you a credit of 300%. That is 3 times the value of what you withheld. So if you withheld, let's say, $5,000 in taxes on the employee's wages, the ATO will provide you with a credit of $15,000 on the integrated client account. That's right. If you withheld, let's say you withheld only, you don't have many staff there, and so you don't and the wages are quite low. Let's say you withheld only $1,000 for them, on the employee's wages for the March VAS. Now, when you lodge it, 3 times 1,000 is $3,000, right? But the ATO will provide you with the minimum, which is $10,000. Okay, so then you've got the other extreme. The other extreme is it provides you. Let's say you're quite a large. You have a lot of staff and you withhold a lot of employees. And let's say that your monthly tax which you withheld is $20,000. Now, for the March VAS, 3 times 20,000 is $60,000. But the ATO will provide you with a maximum of $50,000 for the March VAS. Hope that's clear, right? Okay. So then there is the April. Then you've got the April payroll. See, April, May, June, July, August, and September. What happens? The rules change. It's not 3 times of what you withheld. So it's not 300%, but it drops to 25%. That is a quarter. So in other words, if you withheld $10,000 in employees' wages for April, you will receive an ATO credit of $2,500. Okay, and the same thing will apply for the future months. Now you have to understand that things are kept within the caps, right? So basically, what we're saying is that for this financial year, that is for the financial year ending 30th of June 2020, the minimum amount that you will receive as a credit from the ATO, and the minimum amount is $10,000. That's the minimum, and the maximum amount you'll ever receive is $50,000. That's for the 30th of June financial year. And for the new financial year, starting from 1 July 2020 till the end of September, the minimum amount that you will get is another $10,000. And the maximum amount you will receive is another $50,000. And it all depends on how many employees you have and how much you withhold in employees' wages. Again, this is just a way in which the government is trying to help businesses go through these really tough times of uncharted waters that we are experiencing in our lifetime. It's designed to help you pay for things like the rent that you may have or electricity. It's just to just keep you guys afloat until we get through these tough times ahead. Now, once again, this video is again designed to help you guys around the cash flow. And if you did want to contact us, you can visit our website. The website is profitservices.com.au. My name is Fabian Yanyello. I am the founder of Profit Services, where I help businesses optimize their profit and their cash flow. It's bye for now, and wait for my next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.